What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going rogue today and I'm gonna be my own trainer. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but you would think after 2 years I should know a little bit of something and I should be able to, I guess, I don't know, encourage myself, get a little juice going. This lady's staring at me, so it's kind of awkward, but forget her. And yeah, we're in Jersey. We're in the dirty Jers. We're winging it, man. We're gonna do glutes and a couple of things that I did at home. So even though we're in a gym, these are all stuff that you could do at home with your dumbbells or any kind of weight really. You could just like improvise. And I was sore as hell. Like sore to the point that you have to say, fuck, I'm sore every time you sit down. It was pretty bad. So I would say it's a good one. I am, like I told you guys in the last video, 10 pounds overweight, which, all right, you know, resort eating happens. So I don't necessarily need to go up in weight so much, and I probably won't be using as heavy weights today, being that my body is a heavy weight in itself. But let's get started. My body in itself is its own weight. After I did these, it was pretty crazy. Quads are already burning. It's happening. Who is hitting this? I want to know. I want to see their knuckles. I like to do them on this because I can grip the sides and get really good. So most people would say because you're not doing this with the band, you do it to failure. I would say yes, but I don't call it failure. I call it exhaustion. Let's go for 12. Although I would probably be exhausted at 16. I don't want to work you guys too much. That's my issue. I lose count. That's what the trainer's there for. Everything is about form. It's less about how much you could do or like doing different things. Glutes feel activated. If anybody was interested in my sneaks, we do a quick, they're a little dirty. But a lot of people always ask me what my favorite sneakers to work out in. I'm an Adidas head, but Stella McCartney. Ooh, this right glute is on fire. The thing with this that you have to be very careful is make sure your spine is aligned. You have to make sure that your spine is aligned the whole time or else you're gonna hurt your lower back, and that you keep the dumbbells close to your legs. Whew. My hamstrings are gonna be dead. I'm just gonna use one of these because the pull squat, I prefer it to the regular squat. So we're just gonna pulse, pretend like there's a little hinge. Just do have my aminos, but they are in my vehicle, and I'm not walking back for it. Let me try to do this on my own. If I can do it on my own, you can do it on your own. This really works your whole entire leg, including glutes, because my calves are on fire. I may be a little dehydrated. I lost count, but we're going for 12. You want the contraction to be strong. So like I said, you want the contraction to be strong. Boy, so you're doing 12 and each movement counts as one. So 6 forward, 6 back, 3 times. Tell me you're not dead. Tell me, lie to me. Lie to me and tell me you're better than me. That sounded awful. You know what I meant, guys. The girl is tired. I had mentioned being a mommy 24/7, and I understand that a lot of women don't have the ability to have someone help them with their children, and they are single mothers, and I can't even imagine. So to hear me on Instagram just work out, just take time for yourself, it must be a slap in the face, especially when you're overwhelmed with toddlers, infants, grown-ass kids. But I just want you to know that although it's a 10th of the struggle that you have, I do identify with you, and I am going through a really tough time right now with my 3-year-old, so I feel you. This fit is from CLS Sportswear, promo code Allie. I will be doing a full try-on of their new outfits, their new collection for the next vlog, but again, super cute. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna remain consistent for you, for myself, everything. Until then, be safe, open hearts. Love you guys. I don't know why I did the finito when I said I love you, because I do love you. Finito.